I'm Tom from Intes UK. We are proud to be certified in-range installers, which means our team has been officially trained and accredited to design, install and support in-range systems to the highest standards. If you already have an in-range system or are considering one for your site, we can help to get the most out of your investment. How? I can highlight a couple of points for you. One, if your in-range system is already in place and you are looking to expand, maybe a new access control door, new building, new areas on site, our engineers can seamlessly add to your existing setup whilst keeping everything integrated and secure. So we can act as problem solvers. Sometimes older systems develop faults or stop performing as they should. We can assess your current installation, identify any issues, and bring your system back to full reliability, often whilst introducing upgrades and improvements to performance. In-range have kept their finger on the pulse when it comes to bringing new integrations into their integrity platform, and as such, we can advise what you can do with your system now that you weren't perhaps able to achieve before. This applies to adding wireless locks to your system, and this is just one of the examples. 3. We can also help you expand functionality. For example, introducing mobile credentials so staff can access doors with their smartphones instead of cards or fobs. These modern solutions make access control more flexible, secure, and future-proof. 4. Like any critical system, regular maintenance ensures your access control security system continues to operate safely and efficiently. We offer planned maintenance packages to help you stay compliant and avoid downtimes. 5. If you are planning a new project, our certified team can design and deliver a complete in-range solution from initial consultation through to installation and ongoing support. You may want to validate our work and expertise, and that is certainly not a problem at all. We can arrange a visit to existing commercial or residential sites so you can see what projects we have already completed. This could give you the final piece of confidence you may be seeking. Thank you for your subscriptions to our channel and for liking the video.